I'm Vidya. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE, Education Ministry and NCERT defend three-language policy in Supreme Court. Cite data showing 47.3% of 28,848 affiliated schools already offer two or more Indian languages in Class 9. Responding to a petition by parents and foreign language teachers, the board says the policy aims to strengthen multilingual learning and language competencies in a phased and structured manner. Haryana government blacklists 1,107 private schools across 22 districts for violating RTE norms and issues related to recognition, documentation or departmental approval. The government has blocked their MIS access, affecting their participation in the RTE admission process for the 2026-27 academic session, and placed their recognition under review through physical verification. Karnataka to establish India's first government-driven artificial intelligence university, CM announces AI hub for research, startup innovation and talent development. The initiative was announced at Google I/O Connect India 2026 to strengthen Karnataka's role in responsible AI development. Comprehensive sex education to be included in school and college curriculum, Centre tells Supreme Court following the recommendations of a 26-member expert committee. The panel was constituted after the Apex Court asked the Centre to examine measures to prevent consensual adolescent relationships and minor pregnancies from being criminalized under the POCSO Act. Punjab Governor approves ordinance capping private school fee hikes at 5%. Schools ordered to refund excess fee collected over the past 4 years. Nearly 7,800 private schools to come under scrutiny, with institutions required to disclose 4 years of fee records and refund excess collections, benefiting around 32 lakh parents, says CM. CBSE re-evaluation boosts Karnataka CET aspirants. Rank by over 1.4 lakh places as Karnataka Examinations Authority updates scores of 1,177 candidates. The rank revision followed acceptance of CBSE's revised Class 12 marks, with the board completing the post-result review process for more than 99.7% of verification of issues observed and re-evaluation applications. Foreign student enrollment in India increases by 47% in a decade. Karnataka retains top spot, Punjab climbs to second. The latest All India Survey on Higher Education 2023-24 report shows 58,134 students from 173 countries enrolled in Indian higher education institutions, with Karnataka hosting 7,914 international students, narrowly ahead of Punjab, 7,902. 45-year-old mother and 21-year-old son received IIT Madras degrees together at convocation. Jigisha Taylor and her son Aditya Kapadia graduated together from IIT Madras Online BS in Data Science and Applications program, marking a unique milestone after years of shared learning, family support and friendly competition. 17-year-old Nagpur Teen Hiten Dharpure sets Guinness World Record for building the world's smallest fully functional robotic arm. Measuring just 39.25 millimeters, the robotic arm surpassed the previous Guinness World Record of 44.49 millimeters, demonstrating that engineering precision does not always require large-scale machines. India secures joint first rank at the 56th International Physics Olympiad 2026. All 5 team members win gold medals, sharing the top position with China, Kazakhstan, Russia, South Korea, and Taiwan among 381 students from 87 countries, after undergoing HPCSE's orientation, intensive training camps, and pre-departure program. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.